All right, from the United States, let's now shift our attention to what is playing out in Brazil, where the Brazilian clinical trials have found that a coronavirus vaccine developed by China's Sinovac has been found to be effective in just about 50.4% of the cases where it was administered. The Brazilian clinical trial has found that the vaccine is significantly less effective than what was earlier claimed. It's just 0.4% above the 50% that is needed for regulatory approval. Several countries, including the likes of Indonesia, Turkey and Singapore, have placed orders for the vaccine. But there's been a bit of a mismatch in the efficacy data for the vaccine. Last week, the Butantan Institute, which has been conducting the trials in Brazil, announced that the vaccine had an efficacy rate of almost about 78% against mild to severe COVID-19 infections, but then revealed that the calculations did not include a set of data bringing the efficacy rate down. In fact, the Sinovac trials have yielded different results across different countries. The Turkish researchers have said that the vaccine has an efficacy rate of about 91.25%, while in Indonesia, according to the researchers, this Chinese vaccine reportedly has an efficacy rate of just about 65%. And the news has now prompted other nations such as Singapore and Malaysia, which have very strict health protocol, to say that they would approve the vaccine only after going through the official data very thoroughly. Meanwhile, Sinovac's chairman has defended the vaccine, saying that phase 3 clinical trial results are sufficient to prove the safety of the vaccine. He's also said that different testing protocols, which results in different testing rates, and the latest results are a huge disappointment for Brazil, as the Chinese vaccine is only one of the two that the government has in fact lined up, and comes as Brazil is in fact dealing with a major spike in the number of infections. The country currently has the third highest number of COVID-19 infections in the world, at about 8.1 million, just behind the United States and India. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.